In this video, I'm going to be talking about Amazon FBA and a complete tutorial when it comes to selling on Amazon. Amazon FBA is probably one of the best business models you could get into, especially if you're learning and you want to start selling online. Honestly, I've been selling 5 years now and I've made over $1 million in sales selling on Amazon. There's a lot of fake knowledge and a lot of fake gurus, especially on YouTube, teaching people Amazon when they don't make it like a full-time income. This is like what I do full-time. This is how I make all my money online. If you're trying to learn from somebody about selling on Amazon, or you want to learn about Amazon, make sure you're learning from somebody that actually does it full-time rather than telling you general information, because Amazon is always changing and evolving. That's what you have to keep in perspective. Like selling online, yes, you could make a lot of money from it. Take the initiative and learn all the steps and processes so you don't make mistakes, as a lot of beginners tend to do. So when selling on Amazon, there's two methods that people tend to do. There's private label, which is what I do. This is when you make a brand from scratch. You find a manufacturer from China and you brand everything yourself, and then you ship it to Amazon's warehouse. You create your brand and grow your brand from scratch. And what you're doing with private labels, you're making a long-term business. You're not just selling on Amazon. You can even expand Walmart, eBay, Mercari, Poshmark. You can expand from there, even have your own storefront, online store. That's what I like about the private label business, especially that, you start off selling on Amazon. This is what I do. It's how I've made over $1 million in sales, and I highly recommend you to go with this route. The other one is called retail arbitrage. It's a lot harder than it was in the past because Amazon's requesting a lot of proof of invoices. Retail arbitrage is that you go to, like, let's say Marshalls and Ross and stuff like that. You find things at a discounted price that are on clearance, and then you start selling those exact products on Amazon, and you're just flipping items. The thing that I don't like about this retail arbitrage method is that it's more of a side hustle than a full-time income. You always have to be going out scavenging, looking for products and things like that in order to be making money. When with private label, you can just be creating a brand from scratch. I never have to deal with any of my inventory. It's always from China directly to Amazon's warehouse. And when I do this, Amazon, all my products are on Amazon Prime. And when a customer buys my product, Amazon packs it, ships it, and delivers it to the customer without me having to do any physical labor. That's what I like about private label, and it's how I scale my business year by year. If you're trying to go with that private label route, then I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do in order to find the right product to start selling on Amazon. I'm gonna show you guys exactly on this video how to source it from China, how to make sure it's a good product to start selling on Amazon, and all that information. So let's get started. So in front of me here, I have Helium 10. Helium 10 is a software that I use to find the right parts to start selling on Amazon. They also have a bunch of tools, and they show you exactly how you can get ranked on the first page of Amazon. This is what is very necessary when it comes to selling on Amazon. You need to make sure you have the right tools when it comes to selling on Amazon, because if you don't have these tools, if you're like almost in the blind and you don't know how you're going to be able to get ranked on the first page, the profit margin. With this tool, you're able to see how much people are selling currently on Amazon, and the numbers are insane. People are making so much money selling the most randomest products on Amazon, and you can be doing the exact same thing. There's nothing special about these people. They just took the initiative to learn the whole process with Amazon. You can be doing the same exact thing. But what I recommend people to do, especially all my students, is start small, because I started small as well. Been selling for 5 years now. And when I picked the first product, I wanted my goal to be $300. That's what I was aiming for. And that's what I was hitting. I was hitting $300 profit every day from one product. And then I switched and invested it to the next product. So then I was like making $600, and then close to $1,000, and then $1,500, and then $2,000 at. So I'm currently averaging $2,000 per day profit selling on Amazon. It's because I've been really investing in the company and growing it from scratch. But you can do the same exact thing, I'm telling you. So let me show you guys Helium 10. Also, Helium 10 is a paid software. If you want Helium 10, I'm going to have it in the link down below for you. It's going to have a coupon code for you. but you need a software like this to find the right product to start selling. So let's say you're serious about selling on Amazon. This is the profit page here. You can see that I've made over $1 million in sales as of this year. Net profit, a little over 400,000, which is insane because the year is not over yet. We're about to get to the holidays, which a lot of the income is going to come from that. So when it comes to product research, you're more than welcome to copy all these things that I'm going to do. And this is going to allow you to find what products that sell well on Amazon. So let me show you guys here the categories that I like. I'm gonna make this brief because I have plenty of videos of this already. So we're gonna put home and kitchen, health and household, office products, pet supplies, tools and home improvement. We're gonna put sellers 1 and 1, minimum price 16, monthly sales minimum, let's put $9,000. Max weight 3 pounds, small, large, standard. We're gonna put FBA. Max reviews, let's put 200. And now let's click search. Doing this, you're gonna be able to find products to start selling on Amazon. So it's gonna give you a bunch of product ideas and it's gonna give you a bunch of knowledge when it comes to this. So you're gonna just keep scrolling. I like to find products that are small and light, that don't have a lot of competition. I put the review count at maximum 200. That way it shows you that you're able to get into Amazon and into that category and start selling those products as well. So with all these filters, you're able to see products that you can actually get into. So we have an example here, and you can see here that this person is selling makeup brushes. There's only 73 reviews on this, right? Only 73 reviews. That's not a lot of reviews. But let's go to the 30-day monthly sales, and you can see they're selling on average around 200 to 300 units every sale. So that's a lot of money. So we're gonna go to the Helium 10 plugin that you can also add to your Chrome extension. You're gonna click X right here, and you can see that how many sales they're doing for this listing, around 9,000, and in revenue, $176,000 in sales for that 1 month. That's an insane amount of sales for a very small product. Like, it's so random, like makeup brushes that, you know, you wouldn't think that they're making that much money. They have made over $170,000 this month selling that product. Of course, you have other products that you can start selling as well. Not all of these products are going to be good to sell. There are going to be some other ones that are not so good, but this is the general information that I like to teach. I recommend all my students when starting to sell on Amazon is to find that one product that's going to generate you $250 to $300 profit per day. I recommend something small and light. That way the shipping cost is not that expensive. I recommend finding products that are not in the competitive field. Something like this that has less than 100 reviews is something that you can actually get into. And I also recommend you to look for a niche that you can actually build a whole brand around. Let me show you guys more exactly what I mean by that. So you can go here, and if you want to see if you can build a whole brand around this. Let's see this store. They have a little bit of like nail clippers. They build a whole brand around nail clippers and things like that. I will give you a better example than this. So here's a better example of exactly the product and niche that I like. So you see 𝙨𝙨 Lash here. This person is selling eyelash extension glue. The 30-day sales is 6,000 units. And you can go to their 𝙨𝙨 Lash page here. You can see that they build a whole brand around lashes, like lash glue, eyelashes, tweezers, things like that. And this person just selling that one glue, they're making $1 million profit every year selling that exact glue. That's an insane amount. $1 million selling eyelash extension glue. It's a crazy way you can make money. But if you find the right product and you find the right niche, you can make a full-time income with Amazon FBA. Of course, you need to learn the whole process. You need to do the proper Amazon FBA research. This tutorial is to help you take that initiative to start selling on Amazon. I'm telling you, just start right away. I have a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel to help you out for free to get started. You can set up your Amazon seller account today. You can do the whole process and start doing your Amazon product research in order to be successful with Amazon. So if you're interested in selling on Amazon, you want to get more involved with it, I also have a free course for you guys. It's going to be in the description down below. Absolutely free. I made for you guys. That way you can start learning right away. There's nothing needed, no credit card, nothing like that. You can literally start in like 5 minutes from now. I have a link down below for you guys. And also in that, there's going to be a more advanced course down the line. Maybe you finish the beginner course and you want to get really serious and make it a full-time income. You can always check that advanced course out. The advanced course is not expensive like all these other people are selling courses. I made it a monthly membership for you guys. That way, you can finish it in 1 month if you want to and then just be done with it, because I just think people are charging way too much for courses. It's insane. And I want to help you guys out as much as possible. I'm going to have a link of the course down below. And I'm also going to have Helium 10 if you want to do the Amazon product research and learn more about product research. If you want a full tutorial of Amazon product research, I'll have it up here or in the link down below. And that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.